Welcome to Barrio Agham. Magandang hapon mga kabaryo. Ako si Mayor Salvador, isa sa mga tagapagtatag ng organisasyong Pueblo Science. Ang aming organisasyon ay may layuning engganyohin ang mga bata na mag-aral ng STEM, siyensya, teknolohiya, kaalamang pang-inhinyero at matematika sa pamamagitan ng mga nakakatuwa at nakakamanghang eksperimento. Sabayan niyo po kami linggo-linggo tuwing Martes, alas 3 ng hapon.
Afternoon, ako po si James, ay volunteer ng Pueblo Science. Yung experiment natin today ay titingnan natin pagkaya natin itusukin isang balloon pero sigurado tayo hindi siya mapuputok. Yung materials ay isang balloon at isang barbecue stick. Palagay nyo, kaya ba natin gawin ito? Sige. 1, 2, 3. I guess the answer is no. That's all we had for today's episode of Pueblo Science. See you next week. So let's try to see pag kaya natin ito gawin. So yung materials natin ay mga balloon, mga barbecue sticks, or isa-isa lang pwede. Sabon or liquid soap. Pag hindi liquid yung dish soap ninyo, pwede din mag-use hand soap or body wash or shampoo as long as malapot yung liquid. So the first thing kailangan natin gawin is i-fill natin with air yung isang balloon. Tapos taliin natin yung dulo. Huwag naman sobrang laki dahil firstly kailangan completely matagos yung barbecue stick. Meron tayong dalawang trick para pwede natin tusukin yung balloon na hindi mapuputok. First, kunin natin yung soap at i-coat natin yung barbecue stick with liquid soap. Kaya konti-konti lang naman gagamitin. At i-roll mo lang yung hand mo sa barbecue stick and i-coat natin yung entire length ng stick. Mag-ingat lang kayo sa mga splinters. Secondly, saan tayo magtutusok sa balloon? So, the best place to do that is yung sa section ng balloon na wala siyang or makapal pa konti yung material. Kaya pag tingnan mo sa under the light, saan yung pinamakapal? Ito, yung sa dulo ng balloon dito at saka sa opening na tinalay natin. So the reason kailangan natin gamitin yung poke natin dyan sa section kasi hindi pa masyado na stretch yung material, and so we know marami pang material nandyan. Okay, so let's do this. So you take your stick na na-coat natin with soap and just gently or slowly poke the balloon with the stick. Best thing to do is parang i-rotate natin, i-ikot natin yung stick as it enters the balloon. So and then on the other side, pwede mo gamitin yung darili mo para i-guide natin na lumabas sa again that second place na makapal konti yung balloon. So just rolling it here. And now you see we are able to poke the barbecue stick through a balloon without it popping. Right? So how is this possible? Well, if you know, this balloon is made of rubber, and rubber is a type of material called a polymer. And polymers are just really long chains of molecules. So you can almost think of it like a bowl of spaghetti. So if we have a spaghetti here, right? So the balloon's surface can be considered like a pile of spaghetti. So pag fill natin with air yung balloon, yung strands ng rubber molecule nag-stretch lang. Kaya nga pag nilagay natin under the light, yung material na very stretched, more see-through because mas sparse yung material sa section na yun. And yung hindi masyado ma-stretch, hindi masyado na-stretch, marami pang material, kaya hindi kasing opaque or mas ma-opaque under the light. Pag tinusok natin yung skin ng balloon with a barbecue stick, ano mangyari? Meron din na mapupunit yung mga strands ng balloon, right? Pero yung ibang strands naman, since very stretched sila, magko-contract na din sila, kaya pwede nila i-fill yung opening na nagawa mo habang tinusok mo yung balloon. And the reason why gumamit tayo ng liquid soap is even though ganun yung properties ng polymer or ng rubber, of course meron din matatakas yung air. Kaya the purpose of yung soap is to also cover more areas na pwede matakas yung hangin. So ano mangyayari pag tinanggal natin yung barbecue stick sa balloon? So as you see, slowly mag-escape din yung hangin sa loob. And the reason why it's not going so fast is because meron din yung soap yung residual soap andyan pa rin, parang niko-cover pa din yung both holes na nagawa natin with the barbecue stick. Pero as you can see, it's actually slowly shrinking. Anyway, that's a challenge. Tingnan natin pagkain yung gawin ito. Just make sure meron kayong maraming balloon in case hindi kayo successful sa first attempt. Pero be considerate naman of others naman. Isipin ang kapakanan ng mga tao sa paligid natin, especially pag may mga maliit na bata o yung madali magulang. Pakita mo sa amin yung mga videos and photos of you trying this challenge out. Okay, that's it for me. See you next time. May sabon na itong spaghetti. Hindi na makain.